Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to do an origami crane that can be used for various arrangements or table decorations. If you like our video, please give us a like, a share, or subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're gonna start with the origami paper white side up, and we're gonna do a fold diagonally in half. Unfold and do another fold on the other side. Unfold again and turn the paper over, and now we're gonna do a horizontal fold in half. Unfold and a vertical fold in half. Okay, now using the creases we've just created, we're gonna flatten the paper with the white side up. We have two flaps on the left and two flaps on the right. Next, have the open corners at the top and bring this flap to the middle line, starting from the bottom.
Stop.
Open and flatten it. Now bring this flap to the left. So now we have two flaps to the left, two small flaps. Now we're gonna do the same on the right side. We're gonna bring this line to the middle, crease, and open it and flatten it. And bring this flap to the right. So we have two flaps to the left and two flaps to the right. Okay, we're gonna turn the model over and we're gonna bring this flap to the middle line, but this time we're gonna start from the top. And then bring this flap to the middle line. And then we're going to bring this corner up, fold it to this line. And now we're going to open it and flatten it like this. It looks like this. We're going to turn the model over, then fold this up. Now we're going to fold the model in half vertically. Okay. Next, we're going to do a few difficult folds. The first one is an outside reverse fold. So we're going to fold this part here. So bring this line to this line. And now we're going to do an outside reverse fold. That means we open it here and fold it along the creases we've just made, like this. It looks like this. And next, we're gonna do an inside reverse fold. That means we bring this line here. And we'll open it and fold it inside. And then we're gonna do another inside reverse fold for the beak of the bird. We're gonna bring this corner so that this line is horizontal, and again open it and fold it inside. And now we spread the wings of the crane and it can stand. That's it. I hope you liked our video. Please give us a like, a share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.